Hello guys. So we brought a lovely cocktail chick to our family and we are feeding her or him, we are not sure yet, with this syringe until he or she will get used to us and will become a good friend with us. So now we are talking about how to take care of her. The most important thing is that you need a source of fire near him or near her usually. And to prepare the food, we have the baby cocktail Srilak. You need a syringe, 5 cc of hot water or boiled water. You need to pour it into a small container. Then you will take a half spoon or a little bit more than a half spoon. You will get used to it with time, and you will pour it into the water, and you will start to mix it until they will get mixed well together. And by the way, we named her KuKu. KuKu. So we are calling her KuKu. So now we should take the syrup. So one important point to note is you need to take the air out of the syringe, so it will not go to the baby cocktail stomach, and later on will make him or her to make gas, which is not good for the health of the baby cocktail. So, and now we are going to feed the baby cocktail. You should really be careful how much of the Srilak you will give to the baby cocktail, and you will get used to it after a few times. And you should only put this depth into the mouth of the baby cocktail, not too much of the needle. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Okay, we will wait a bit. We will wait a bit. Cuckoo, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. You want some more? Come on. They are watching you. Come on. Cuckoo. Please, please, one more, one more, one more. What? So we have to feed her around 5 times a day in 24 hours. So uh, almost every 5 hours we need to feed her a half a teaspoon of baby cocktail Srilag mixed with 5 cc of water. And sometimes when she feel hungry we will feed her again before the exact time, because she is like our little baby. She will cry for food and we must feed her when she is starting to cry. Cuckoo, cuckoo, make some move. Come on, make some move for YouTube. Make some move. Cuckoo. Thank you for watching.